Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log in into TradingView using Apple ID or Google account on iPhone. If you're signed up with Apple or Google, logging in the right way is important to avoid an invalid password or stuck on login screen. Here's the step-by-step guide. Tap the TradingView icon on your iPhone to launch the app. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. On the welcome screen, tap the login at the bottom. You'll see different sign-in options including Apple, Google and email. Choose your original signed up method. If you created your account with Apple ID, tap Apple, and if you use Google, tap continue with Google and pick the correct Google account with prompted step is crucial. If you accidentally log in with a different method like email, TradingView will show invalid username or password. For Apple ID, if you prompt confirm with Face ID or Touch ID or your password. If you used hide my email during sign up, TradingView will log in through that private relay automatically. Next, for Google, you will have to choose the correct account from the list. If asked, enter your Google password or approve two-step verification. And once authenticated, the app will load your saved layouts, watch list, and preference automatically. This may take a few seconds on slower connections. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.